How you doing, guys? Chris here. Here's a quick collection of what was talked about at the Drone Advisory Committee slides. Here are the members, and they spent a lot of time welcoming the new members, and there's even a new director. You'll see him here. His name is Bradley Mims. I was actually surprised by his opening remarks. They seemed to discuss more about monetary things and how the committee could kind of pave the way for the drone industry to make future advancements. But here in the agenda, this is what I was here to see: the beyond line of sight and the remote ID. I'll let you look through the video and get an idea of what was talked about, and you'll see at the very end that new committee member Kimji recommends that the next new committee member be a hobbyist or a FPV drone enthusiast. If you wish to watch the 2.5 hour long committee meeting, I've got links in the video description, but the biggest takeaways for me were the requirement of sensors on the aircraft for the collision avoidance and the implementation of the Mosaic risk assessment system. For the remote ID portion, I think the biggest takeaway was they're going to be testing it in 7 different cities using various different types of remote ID sensors, and they're considering cases where it's not needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.